Hello, amazing people of the internet. So, I found out that people wanted to cheat when it comes to the Talk Comment War. So, I'm going to change it up just a tiny bit. Whichever comment in the next 24 hours gets the most amount of replies, I will personally send you $50. That way we can get some more engagement going, get some more people in here so we can do some bigger and better things, you know? And if you could, like the video and subscribe, again, so we can get some more people in here and go on to bigger and better things, and maybe you get a chance to win a motorcycle, right? That'd be fun. So while you're writing your comment or trying to figure out how to get people to reply, enjoy some motorcycle content, just some exhaust sounds or maybe an edit, just anything to get over the 10-minute mark so that way we can get out to more people. So share with your friends, do whatever you got to do, just good luck.
fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't